Yep, that's it.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math.
Ralph Chandler Middle School.
Hey.
Look at this. Wow, tell them what this means. Bang.
Boom.
Oh,
That's
what does
nice.
this mean? Can you see this? Can you see that? What does that
I can
mean,
see
Mr.
that.
Goff?
It says focus 212 degrees.
212 degrees is the boiling point. What is that all about? Tell the audience what this is all about.
Well, that's our theme for this year here at Ralph Chandler Middle School. We want to hit 212 degrees Fahrenheit to get everything boiling. You know, 211 degrees is what Miss Mantis always says. 211 degrees, nothing's happening. 212, one more degree, and you're boiling. So she says go that extra degree to get things boiling, get going, right?
Yes, and you know what? I think it was Rockefeller, I'm not sure, or J.P. Morgan or Rockefeller. They said, the quote was, the secret to success is to do the average everyday things.
Extraordinary. Something like that, right?
Something. I forgot what it was, but it was a good quote, man.
I'm sure it was.
Excellent quote.
Maybe we'll think of
But
that
what do we
later.
do today? Moms and dads, just let me give you a quick run-up. We gave them a study guide. And the study guide covers, you know, what we went over this week. Air masses, it went over clouds, it goes over last week. Air masses, clouds, pressure systems, fronts, hurricane storms, and tornadoes. A little bit about clouds. Check that out. And they have it tonight to look at. Tomorrow all day, we're going to review it. Tomorrow night they can study again. And then Friday, we're going to have the test. We got to go. There's somebody right here waiting for us. Take it away, Mr. Gore.
Okay, in math, guess what, everybody? We have I can't talk. Guess what, everybody? We have a test tomorrow in Math 6, and we're going to continue on to math, or into Friday, okay? So, test tomorrow, all right? We've got this test. It's all about angles, supplementary, complementary. You've got all kinds of things going on there.
Little
with
test,
the angles.
what do they call that thing?
Well, tessellations, but that was just a little
Tessellations, very
project
cool,
we did.
fun project. I did one myself. I did one with my students today in my class.
Oh, that's
I thought, I said, well, this is fun. Let's do it.
I bet it was.
Even though it's science, math,
It's all
cross team,
interchangeable.
cross planning, cross everything, all that kind of.
But Math 6 kids, guess what? Parents, you have a test tomorrow to study for. They should be studying tonight and tomorrow night because it's going to be a 2-day test. I always give them 2 days to do it. Math 7, we just started a new chapter yesterday. Today we talked about sample space. Okay? That's when you have to say, okay, you know what? I'm going to flip a coin. I'm going to roll a die. What are all the combinations of things that could happen? That's my sample space. Everything that could happen. I can get a heads and a 1 on the die, a heads on and a 2, a heads and a 3, a heads and a 4, a heads and a 5, a heads and a 6, or a tails and a 1, a tails and a 2, a tails. That's a sample space. That's all the things that could happen. Okay? If Mr. Esposito had 3 shirts, 4 pairs of pants, and 2 pairs of shoes, how many different combinations could he wear? Huh? So
That's a lot of them. How many? I did that in college.
Yeah, well, what did I say? 3, 4, and 2? 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. He had 24 different combinations of things he could wear. So anyway, sample space is what we're doing in Math 7. So, and you know what, Math 7 people? You have homework to finish tonight if you didn't finish it in class today. That's page 467 and 468, 1 through 10. Okay, if you didn't get it done in class, you're doing it tonight.
Excellent. Oh, one more thing, moms and dads. This Friday they're gonna have the test. Their folder will be due. Some of my students finished their foldable already handed it in, so they get an extra 3 days to work on it. Bing, bang, boom, and get it done. There's no excuses. This Friday, it's on my website. Check out my website. Test foldable is due. A lot of excitement, a lot of tessellations going on. And
That's
you get
right.
test Thursday and Friday with Mr. Goff. Well, we'll see it. 2 thumbs up. Have a
2
nice
thumbs
day,
up.
guys. Excellent.